it's difficult to really embrace the fact that these 2 years has come and is about to go. From before matriculation, looking forward to RC life and university life, and now soon to be looking back. I think it's difficult to say those goodbyes. So there's this paper bag of memories, which is the photos and slips of notes written to me from my friends. And now that it's the last time, they seem a bit heavier in my heart. Since this is likely the last semester for me, it seems like a sunset. It doesn't last really long, but I really do want to make the most out of it. So the question really is, how? This inter-college game season is something that all the sports interest group will be looking forward to because it's our biggest competition of the year. Meanwhile, RC life continues and we carry on the traditions that have been passed down. Keeping our pantry clean once every 2 weeks, cleaning up the mess, leaving messages for our friends on the doors. It gives their doors more personality. It's gonna be a basketball match.
We have our first contender, Ricky Ang. And not the contender, just the basketball, Jamie Toe. What's the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, wrong one. Sorry. Purple.
I think it's definitely a point in the semester where there's a lot of things to be juggled, but it's also a peak in the semester since we're involved in so many things, and it's like a build-up to a climax, which will be ICG. I guess inter-college game was the common goal that everyone could look forward to and work hard towards.
Nice ball!
Honestly, it's impossible to not think about loss right after the loss itself. But it definitely helps to have friends around you to remind you that there's still another game along the way and you have to get your head together.
Nice!
At this point, my leg was really cramping up, but I really could not lose this jump. The cramp really hurts. But it was also at that moment that the rest of the lost points and losing the semi-finals didn't hurt as much anymore. It was at that point where I'm reminded again like why I play this sport. Through the victories and through the defeats, these are the people that do it together with me and make it all so worthwhile.
Let's go, finish it! Finish bro!
Looking at the rain and the weather, no one else would ever do this together with me, except these crazy people who are really truly addicted to the sport as much as I am.
What are your thoughts on this being your final ICG?
I think it is. What are my thoughts? Good happy.
Happy
I think it was
that
good.
it is your final ICG?
Happy that we did our best.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's so good.
Paper stone.
Oh, I miss most ah.
The friends, like
What friends?
Like the fact that I can come to a lounge and talk to anyone, like easily. Yeah. Leaving RC4 means that I'll lose a lot of those connections. Whether it's by choice or not by choice, they definitely cannot hold on to all the connections. So it's a bit cliche. I'll miss my friends.
Expectation.
I think it's okay. It's okay to not have a detailed plan on what you would like to achieve in your RC life, even in your last semester. I think it's just the many small moments that are captured and not captured. Laughing more, spending more time with my peers, hanging out more, trying to create just a little bit more of these moments. Whether it's over supper, whether it's talking crap in the lounges. I think it's truly important that we live in the moment and to enjoy every single bit that this place has to offer before it's too late.